I'm with Claire Carlile. Claire's BrightLocal's local SEO expert and at Claire Carlile Marketing. Say hello.
That is true. Hello. Hello.
And you're here in Brighton because you are speaking at this week's Brighton SEO.
That is correct, yes. Yes.
So we're going to chat through a few questions,
Okay.
get to know you a little bit and get to know your thoughts on the state of local search as it stands this year.
Hooray.
Your Brighton SEO talk is on the knowledge panel. Have you got 3 top tips for people looking to take advantage of the knowledge panel?
Yes. Monitor it so you know what it looks like for whatever business you're interested in and the niche and competitors maybe. That's just my top tip really, I think. Just know what's there, what's possible, and then just make sure that you do your best to try and get the things that you would like to be in there. So that's what my talk is about, is sort of easy stuff, sort of medium stuff, and then stuff that's, well, personally I found quite difficult to manage. Yes.
Love it. So Claire, you are an experienced local SEO professional. What's your top tips and best advice for anyone looking to grow their career in local SEO?
To grow their career. I think they'd need to define what grow meant to them, because for some people it might mean work less. So they need to do that, and I think most of all, find nice, good people that you can collaborate with and do good things with. That's my recipe for success.
So Claire, whilst we're playing the 2p machine, what do you think the future of local SEO looks like, especially with things like the rise of AI and all of that technology?
Yes, well that's just such a good question, Jenny. Local businesses should know where their customers are, find them there at the time that they're looking for them, and come up with a proposition that is more compelling than their competitors. And whether they're using AI to do that or whether they're not using AI, it's the same tenets exist.
You're from the seaside, we're at the seaside. If you were stuck on a desert island, what 3 things would you bring with you?
By the seaside?
By the seaside.
Is it hot?
It can be hot, yeah.
Definitely sunscreen. You got to be careful.
Yep.
And then something to read.
Yep.
And a friend. Take a friend.
Love it.
Yeah.
I like it. Now you've come all the way from Pembrokeshire.
Oh.
If I was to go on holiday there, like you're on holiday in Brighton,
Yes.
What should I go and see and do?
You should definitely eat some Welsh cakes, maybe in Mamgys in Solva, and you should definitely go for a swim in the sea and go for a walk on the coast path.
Love it. In this weather.
Yes. Summer.
So we're going to play a quick game of true or false. I've got some fun facts about Brighton, and all you have to do is tell me if they're true or if they're false. So true or false, Brighton is home to the oldest sea life centre in Britain.
Yes, that's very true.
Correct.
Very true. Yeah.
It opened in 1872.
1872.
Yeah, and there's a ton of really cute creatures in there. Yeah, I like it in there. So true or false, on a bright sunny day, if you stand on Brighton Beach, you can actually wave to people on the coast of France.
False.
Correct. Yeah, you can't see anywhere near France. Yeah, even when the sun's out.